Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the question answer of the chapter number 10, the caged bird. A. Write 1, 2, 3 next to the sentences in the order that the events happen in the story. Here is the sequence. Number 1. There was a parrot in the king's garden. Number 2. The king is unhappy with the parrot. Number 3. The royal nephews agree to educate the bird. Number 4. The king is happy with the nephews. Number 5. The nephews keep the parrot in a cage. Number 6. The bird is forced to eat pieces of paper. Number 7. The king hears voice of wisdom. Number 8. The bird dies. Next B part. Answer the questions. Number 1. What are the 3 things that the parrot does that makes the king and his nephews? Answer. The 3 things that make the king and his nephews call the parrot foolish are eating fruit greedily, flying aimlessly, and squawking. Number 2. According to the king, what is the reason that the parrot squawks on hearing a poem? Answer. According to the king, the parrot squawks on hearing a poem because it knows no words and has no learning. Number 3. What do the royal nephews offer to do and why? Answer. The royal nephews offer to educate the bird because they believe it's shameful for an uneducated bird to live in the king's garden. Number 4. What is the reason given by the scholars for the bird's ignorance? Answer. The scholars says the bird's ignorance is due to its dirty nest. Number 5. What are the arrangements made by the nephews for the bird? Answer. The nephews' arrangement for a golden cage, polishers, cleaners, and maids to bath the birds. Next, number 6. Describe the Pandit. Answer. The Pandit is described as a thin man with a long pigtail, sandalwood paste and on his forehead and a cloth bag. Number 7. How is the parrot taught by the Pandit? Answer. The parrot is taught by the Pandit by being forced to swallow pieces of paper from scripture. Number 8. What does the king hear inside the dead parrot? Answer. The king hears a rustling, crackling, buzzing drone inside the dead parrot. Supposedly, it's voice of wisdom according to the chief minister. Next question, think and answer. Number 1. RTC. A. An ignorant creature in the king's garden. Number 1. Who says this? Answer. Vijay says this. Number 2. Who is the ignorant creature? Answer. Ignorant creature is the parrot. Number 3. What is the speaker's solution to this problem? Answer. The speaker's solution is to educate the bird. B. But what about the parrot? How much has he learned? Number 1. Who says these words? Answer. The chief minister says these words. Number 2. To whom does he say them? Answer. He says them to the king. Number 3. What is the speaker pointing out? Answer. The speaker is pointing out the king's nephews focus on appearance rather than actual learning. See, what is this deal? Number 1. Who asked this question? Answer. The king asks this question. Number 2. What is the answer given to him that he likes very much? Answer. The answer given is that it's the parrot's voice of wisdom. Number 3. What was the deal? Answer. The deal is the rustling, crackling, buzzing drone from the scripture pages inside the dead parrot. Number 2. Who was wiser, the king or the chief minister? Why? Answer. The chief minister was wiser because he cautioned the actual learning of the parrot. Number 3. In your view, can anyone learn by just swallowing knowledge from books? Write in a few lines which is the best way to learn. Answer. No, swallowing knowledge from books is not the best way to learn. The best way to learn is through understanding practice and application. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.